This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. First of all, I will start drawing from the front view. In the front view, I will draw a line of 70 plus 10 unit, and then I will draw a horizontal line of dimension 25 plus 75 plus 30. After that, I will draw two lines and make this angle of 100 degree. And after making this 100 degree angle, I will extrude both it to in direction 1 20 unit and in direction 2 20 unit. So first of all, let's select the front plane. Now select sketch. Now select line. Now draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line of dimension 70 plus 10 unit. After that, again place the line here and draw a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line of 25 plus 75 plus 30 unit. Now draw a vertical line again and draw a inclined line. Now select smart dimension and now dimension this two line to 100 degree. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Extrude boss it to direction 1 is 20 unit and in the direction 2 to 20 unit. After that, press OK. Now here we can see we have another extrude cut here, and this extrude cut portion has a offset line from this line to this line is 10 unit, and we have to extrude cut it to 20 unit. So first of all, I am selecting the front plane again. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select this line and now convert into this, and now again select this line. Now you can use the offset into this. Now reverse the direction. Now press OK. Now select this line and select this line. Now convert into this. Now as you can see, this shape isn't closed in here, so I am selecting a line and closing this shape. After that, select the trim option and trim all the unnecessary part we don't need. So zoom and trim the part. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to in direction 1 is 10 unit and in direction 2 is 10 unit because we are drawing this from the middle surface. Now press OK. Now in the top plane we can see we have a this shape and another form of this shape. First of all, I'll draw from this shape, and for this I will first of all draw a circle of 25 radius. Then I will make it to a semicircle later first, but I will draw a circle of 25 radius. Then I will dimension it from this mid line. From here it will be 25 plus 75 minus this 25 unit. So the horizontal dimension will be 25 plus 75 minus this 25, and the vertical dimension will be 20 unit from this horizontal line. After drawing this circle of 25 radius, then I will draw two vertical lines from here and here, and then I will convert this line and trim all the necessary line to make this final shape. After drawing this shape, I will draw a inner circle of extrude cut of 10 radius. Then I will extrude boss it to, if we see at the right plane, we can see it will be extrude boss of 15 unit. So I am selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a circle. Now draw a circle of 25 radius. Now select smart dimension. Now select this line and this vertical line and dimension it to 25 plus 75 minus 25. And now select again this line, and from this horizontal line, the dimension will be 20 unit. Now press OK. After that, select this line and convert entities. Now select line option. Now draw to vertical line. So, and also draw another vertical line from here. Okay. Now select the trim entities and trim all the part we don't need. So after we have done our trimming option, now you can select the circle because we need to draw this circle of 10 radius. So select pointing this circle to here and drawing a circle of 10 radius. So the total dimension will be 20 diameter. Okay. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 15 unit. After that again I will select the top plane, then I will draw a corner rectangle like this one, then I will convert into this line, and after that I will trim this portion. From that line I will fillet here, and then in here I will draw a extrude circle of 10 radius. Okay, again selecting the top plane, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle like this one. After that press OK. Now select this line and this circle, semicircle. Now convert entities. After that select the trim option and trim all the unnecessary part we don't need. Then go to fillet option, and as you can see in this face we have a fillet of 25, and this dimension is also 25 unit, and this dimension also 25. We can assume that this fillet also will be 25 unit. So I am selecting the 25 unit fillet here, and now select this point. Now press OK. After that select the circle and draw the extrude cut circle, and this extrude cut circle is 10 radius. So now isometric it for a better view. Now here you can see it has a extrude boss of 10 unit, so I am extrude bossing it to 10 unit. Now go to features and extrude boss, and now extrude boss it to 10 unit. Now press OK. As you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.